Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials in place. Enable practice mode, input display, and a frame rate counter so you can measure consistency. Next, map your controls to eliminate extra layers between your hands and the game. This reduces input lag to under around 8 milliseconds, which matters for split-second timing. Once done, warm up for 5 to 10 minutes on the easiest level to internalize jump rhythms and recognize hitbox cues before you attempt a real run. Now you tackle the meat of a run. Chain segments with micro dashes and pre-jump buffering so you land frames earlier than expected. Practice each long sequence as 3 to 6 beat subroutines. This simplifies timing and reduces error propagation. Make sure to watch for patterns where you consistently fail and isolate them into focused drills. Also monitor physical fatigue. Take short 2 to 3 minute breaks every 15 to 20 minutes because fresh reactions directly improve precision and consistency. To finish a successful run, prioritize momentum in the last 10 to 20% by avoiding large corrective inputs. Small, precise nudges keep you stable. Record your final attempts at 60 frames per second or higher and review them in slow motion to spot micro-timing errors. If you still face a repeated failure, make sure to reset your input mapping and clear any calibration data. This often removes hidden drift. If problems persist, narrow the issue by testing one variable at a time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.